Alright, coming at you with another unboxing. This is the Ring indoor cam that was just released the other day. I ordered it the day of the Amazon event, as soon as they announced it later that night, and it came today, so let's take a look at it. Alright, let's get this thing open. Okay, here we go. This is the Ring indoor plug-in security camera. So this can be added to addition to your current Ring doorbells, your Ring home security, everything else you have. So let's see what we got here in the box. Oh wow, it's and I didn't look at the size before I got it. It looked small. Wow, that's really small. So here it is. Let's get that to focus. There's a button right there on top. There's the camera. There's a scan set up on the back. There's this little stand here that looks like it does move, as you can tell. So if you want to put it, lean it sideways or something like that. There's that. Let's see. Some swag. Little Ring sticker. It comes with your manual, some other little Ring things. This is talking about Ring Protect. That's what I have. There's also the code on this that you can scan it to set it up with. And this is mounting hardware and supply. So let's see what type of mounting hardware we have. So here's our power, and for mounting it looks like it comes with just three little screws. So here's the Ring camera. It's very small. Matter of fact, let's show you in comparison. I actually have a what's this, an Anchor USB kind of charger, so you can see comparison right here. So there it is. I'm going to get some videos of setting it up and everything, and hopefully this is a good product. You're going to open your Ring app, go to set up new device. We're going to do security cameras. We're going to come over here, scan our device, pick our location. It's already plugged in. Okay, my light's flashing. All right. Picked out my location for it. It's going to drop. And it's going to kind of come in. All right, hopefully you enjoyed watching me set everything up. This is an actual quality of the video that I downloaded directly from Ring. You can see the quality is very good. The audio is like other Ring cameras. It's not bad. It's a little delayed and robotic, but it works. The main thing was to get a camera up, see what it looked like. I think the quality's good. The detail's good. I'm really happy with the setup. It went really fast. I'm super happy with the camera. I know I'm going to love it. I have other Ring products that I truly enjoy. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video today. If you did, click the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon to keep up with my content. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.